centuries, politics and top leadership roles were dominated by men. But today, women are breaking barriers, shattering glasses, ceiling, and proving that leadership has no gender. Cleopatra, Queen Elizabeth, Indira Gandhi, Margaret Thatcher, Shri Mavo Bandaranaike changed the game forever. 2026, women lead only 28 countries, just 27.5% of parliament seats, and 24% of cabinet minister positions globally. Progress is happening, but it's painfully slow. Welcome to Hybris TV. This is Kaveri Bakshigari. So today's our topic is politics and leadership. For centuries, politics and top leadership roles were dominated by men. But today, women are breaking barriers, shattering glasses, ceiling, and proving that leadership has no gender. From ancient queens to modern day presidents, let's explore their journey, achievements, and the road ahead. Women's political journey is inspiring. Think of Cleopatra, one of the most powerful rulers in history, or Queen Elizabeth, who led England to greatness in 20th century. Trailblazers like Indira Gandhi of India, Margaret Thatcher, the Iron Lady of Britain, and Shri Mavo Bandaranaike, the world's first female Prime Minister of Sri Lanka, changed the game forever. Fast forward to today, as of 2026, women lead only 28 countries. As heads of state of government, women hold just 27.5% of parliament seats worldwide and 24% of cabinet minister positions globally. Progress is happening, but it's painfully slow. Yet there are shining examples. Leaders like Jacinda Ardern showed the world empathetic leadership during crisis. Angela Merkel stayed Germany for 16 years with steady resolve. In 2026, strong women like Mia Mottley of Barbados, Xiomara Castro of Honduras continue to inspire millions. Countries like Rwanda lead to the way with over 64% of women in parliament, proving that when women lead, societies often become more inclusive of collaboration. But the path isn't easy. Women in politics face sexism, media scrutiny, work-life balance struggles, and sometimes even threats to their safety. They are often pushed into soft portfolios like education or health, while men dominate defense and finance. Despite these challenges, research shows women leaders bring huge benefits, more focus on social issues, better crisis management, and policies that uplift families and communities. Diverse leadership simply leads to better decisions. So what's next? If women are watching more this, your voice matters. If you are a man, support the women around you. So what do you think about women in leadership? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like this video if you found it inspiring. Share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe for more empowering content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, lead with courage.